Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Ring Stick-Up Cam battery, complete guide step by step clearly. Unbox your Ring Stick-Up Cam battery from the packaging. Locate the included Ring battery and charging cable. Begin by charging the battery if it isn't already. Insert the fully charged battery into the base of the camera. Ensure it clicks into place securely. Next, download the Ring app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play. Create a Ring account if you don't have one, or log in to your existing account. Once logged in, tap on the Set up a device option within the app. Select Cameras and then choose Stick-Up Cam battery. Follow the on-screen prompts to power on the camera. The camera will enter pairing mode. When prompted, press the orange button on the back of the camera to establish a connection. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list and enter the password. Wait for the camera to connect to the Wi-Fi network. Once connected, you'll receive a confirmation in the app. You can now customize your camera's settings according to your preferences. Choose the location where you want to mount the camera. Use the mounting bracket provided to secure the camera. Mark the drill holes based on the bracket's position. Drill holes and insert wall anchors for better stability. Attach the mounting bracket to the wall using screws. Slide the camera onto the mounting bracket until it clicks into place. Adjust the camera angle for the best view of your intended area. Final check, make sure the camera is securely mounted and functioning properly. You have successfully set up your Ring Stick-Up Cam battery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.